How to create an Instagram post in Canva PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. On the home page, click on the create button with the plus icon in the top left corner. Next, select Instagram post from the list of design types. Canva will automatically open a blank canvas in the optimal size for Instagram post. You can also choose pre-made template by clicking on templates in the left-hand panel to save time. Once your canvas is ready, start designing by adding photos, elements, icons, shapes and text from the left panel. Click on any element to resize, move or customize it. You can also upload your own images using the Uploads panel. Enhance your post by changing fonts, colors, backgrounds, filters and effects to make it visually appealing. Canva allows you to layer elements, adjust transparency and apply creative effects to give your post a professional look. After finishing your design, click on the Share button in the top right corner and select Download to save your Instagram post as a PNG or JPG file. Your post is now ready to be uploaded to Instagram. Now you know how to create an Instagram post in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.